Hi, Baba. I don't know who came up with the Likompo balcony mix idea, but whoever you are, Ria Oleboha. Ria Oleboha, Baba. Likompo balcony mix is doing the most. Likompo balcony mix is the only movement that's actually pushing Likompo to the forefront. Likompo balcony mix is the only movement that's helping artists get recognition out there. Likompo balcony mix is the only movement that's actually pushing this artist, so that we as friends can know them. So let's watch the video that I'm about to play right now and hear what Hit Boss had to say about people criticizing Likompo balcony mix.
What the desk? Yo, why wanna the desk? That's what it is. What do you want? That's what they paid for. Ki Likompo. La la len. Ka bua se ka lena ka bua se magomo le thwale la le spices le marotho le basadi ba strata kwa ke Likompo concept e la se ya motho. That's what it is. Ke Likompo. Hey, Likompo ba tlhabana ka mefaka ba ka tlhabana ka mefaka ona le security e kaka kwa re bontsha batho ba rena gore this is what must happen. And if you should know, we got international calls and all these things. Because that's what they want. They pretend go other genres, they pretend. Hey, yo, Dikoshatsi. Oh, nah, it's not, it's like this, nah, like this. Ki rumungia na, event ni ki rumungia len. Opala go baga rumungia. Event ki rumungia na. You wanna tell us or things must be like this? Usa baga go rumu. Usileli lo palaga ni go rumu. But when you get there, oh, it's so full. I can't stand this. Yes. Ejwa mo asipeleke ja. Ya grege ngo yo we wait ba uyele sofa go pe. This is the state address Salkombo. Nation of state address. Cause le atshwenya lena. Oh, I can't do this. Why would let this so? Yo utlesi yana. I don't regret selling my ticket. Yes. Cause asirumungwa. Mota ba olwa na ole tree. Kwa re mmereko. Liati sijarna ka mugari totsena whether you like it or not. The influencers jarna ditile. They were busy. Ba pusha bana ba bona ba habo. Liluma batho ba bala go le fali ha ke go mmolo ba di celebrate. Ba tsama ga le phoshelo le cheka ba sa le check. Uno bala go no pusha mwana enu. Ukechelo go tribe o mama wa ba guide boots. Wana wa drill la sibikiri. Warana be chai. Tola no tsenya bana bale. Wata ke mama ngutia retono mo hotelela ra ba ra mulukisha. Retono mo hotelela ra ba ra mulukisha. Hey, udia ba ngati hey, retono mo hotelela ra ba ra mulukisha. Tola ndi atisije. Leave those kids. Level la lelo jalen. Le na merego lena rega ticket. O te kwa o to bona. Onya ga o lukisha o te akela re tla laola. Re gopela le fitle fruga 8. Re gona le goropisa kwa fase. Le gona ta o laola hore awa mo batho ba ska hata manu goropile. Akela nga o laola. Sa tortela kwa o ta kwa latra o fete to go re die. Later before, day before, let us tell you. Le kompo le toya mo le yang, whether you like it or not. An arcade. Le rata o laola. Na la ka se re laola re zanga ra lo pela ditšhelete. A re jea le bribe lena. You won't do that to us. You will never. Even if you wish. Na re kwa fase. Remember. Re zama make sure the line ya tsamaya. Batho ba busy. O ka treni mara wa bala bana. O itjwa. Bana ba nyaka go bona di artist tja bona. Ba nyaka go bona di artist tja bona. Lena le reno di artist je le se na mele stage. Ke se na me jo le stage ne ka baka la mang. re rata go laola lena na re di-family gathering rena ka re ba botja ka moka ke bitša Simizi that staging hey why a namela staging hey why wena o le mo Simizi a se namele stage le trela bana ba bangwe a ba diale kwa tša go betha mo le kwa bose kwa di-family gathering ja rena hey mama nga ka setle mo o di bjang hey mama nga a hlape wena minister of water nga no se ba mothapiša le trela bana ba le ba di-artist. Though true fans and true Likombo followers enjoyed this and they enjoyed it and that's it. Lona Lutzingi, hey, why is I Limpopo? Fine, Minister of Provinces. Idire Limpopo rotota. Ongisha. Idire Limpopo rotota. Udoro bujara naga concept. La rata laula. Le mahong le laula. Yo le bogisi la mohune le tshwenje ise le la glass ne tshwenje le polanka yo chaka la kahela le rata o laola le na le bolwetsi ba o laola le kombo na ona jewe le kombo no laola batho o go lorna ba diang mama o go lorna ba diang batho ba re hey know this and that's the people have spoken because we have each other's back. You know, we have each other's back. Tuelani o laola batho setšhaba se ka se kwana leng re be re dia theme setšhaba sa re no theme you are limiting us ra okay no theme ba re botsa ba re nyaka mama ra okay ke your way because you deprive them of those things ele go ma khwengwa ale jale go ja na go le black ja le na tshela ja mo go batho ba lena le pretender ka le gushisha e ba le jale go shisha batho ba rena le dia ka ra le tsebe la gusha dia ka ra le tsebe no re make sure ba ji batho ba rena serious the streams ja bona le new and everything and all that lona le do ro bojore ba dia bjang hey yo ba la go le na ma fema cause le mo ra la khadiu le re batho se ba le go re ngi na la fata le donjwa ka re ke se go thoma fata na le loji yana go ka ra ka berge peace ba la go le yo mama ngo die bjang le na re ke tshese le pirates mo le do ba le coach ra ka moka mo re ka se le dumelele mo la batho o la setšhaba mo la setšhaba le ka se re bojo re dieng re do le boja rena a re ja ditšhelete tša batho so no one will tell us to do what a re a tšea ditšhelete tša batho no one will tell us to do what makompo do decide Kombo Nation will decide. Kombo Nation will decide. Urudiala. And by the way, let's go but to come go by the analyst ba bolela ka di-artist je ba re di performer wa thotho let's go ba la rona ntwe ka bolelang ka yona ba wele so ba zama o takamo ba die ka re bona ba advising. Just people know what is happening. They are managing the situation. Le dorla la mor dulang. Er fa jamor fa ka ba fana wala ba betar tribal. Ana dole dor bo jangyo. Rto ba plug ka munga. Rto will plug them all. Plug them all. No. Arabe ka maina batho mo. We have so many people telling us no. Mama ngi stage nudia ngi. Mama ngo watsunja sa takana go iso. Mama ngo watsunja sa perform. Mutugile aba artist khale, a roka khale, a wali ena ka lebaka la se tshele je la thoka tsebe. Ana ba lo nya ka rena. Re tshele je ntho e le gore yana id a kgona le ntho makombo bona ba tswa gore ba nyaka eng if makombo bona culture bona ke lo jaje it's fine. That's what they want. What can we do? What must we do? Now all I'm saying is, if you want to control a person, take them to USA, Miss America, come go yo molaole. Oya olaola motho wena o dula ka ene le nna dula ka bo. A khona le ntwe. A khona. O nya ka olaola motho a ke ishije giginga ga transport ya. I could hear everything in a moon. You are adding more burden. Motho o perform aga tight. O rena ska perform aga tight. Agre something better. Or some million or something better. Why are you not sending that? Rena really go bila asrna VIP. Re busy re eme. Al toko miliona wa lena le no nyaka fela o no bolela hore mama ngadi eng bana ba do khona lo jaje ba do khona ba do khona lo je. Will they manage that? What you say? No. Aska para tight. O do agraga mo go ba lena le sa morumelona. Why try to zipulu just keeper? People have a problem with leon. Why should you take just keeper? Bas grege no go. Oza rola le dojo la le chakala ka jama mahung. Le nyago ta la rena go. Le re botse re die. Now we do what combination wants, and that's all.
You've made it to the end of the video, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe as I'll be dropping more Likompo updates here. Pila, I'll be dropping everything that has to do with Likompo on this channel, so please make sure you subscribe so you can get that notification, when I upload. Yes, bye-bye. Ube righty, over sharpu, ube grandy, ube nosuke lihle elifana nawe. Bye-bye, ngiyakuthanda.